Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna lift and firm the skin. If you find that your skin is sagging, if you're looking for an instant lift, an instant glow, an instant radiant to your skin, guess what? I have the perfect remedy for you. This is a wonderful all natural ingredient facial mask that you can whip up in the comfort of your home and give yourself that natural facelift all within a couple of minutes. Now this facial mask is great for the forehead, it's great for wrinkles above the mouth, it is also great for wrinkles on the jawline. When it comes onto your cheekbone, it's gonna plump it up by boosting that collagen production and tighten and firm the skin. And what you're gonna find after is that you're gonna be looking years younger. Not only will you be looking years younger, but you will be feeling good and feeling great about yourself. So to make this recipe, you're gonna need a blender, you're gonna need a grater, and you're also gonna need a strainer. Now today I'm going to be using some milk, and this is milk powder or powdered milk, and this is rich in vitamin B, alpha hydroxy acid, calcium, and also potent antioxidant that has so many benefits for the skin. It will nourish skin cells from deep within the skin and keep skin moisturized all day. Milk also will help to exfoliate the skin, leaving your skin clear, bright, and radiant. Now, if you do not have powdered milk, not to worry, go ahead and use some fresh milk or some yogurt in this recipe. Take a look at our next ingredient, and this is Irish potato. Now, we all know that the potato is widely used across the nation. We tend to eat a lot of potato. We bake it, we fry it, we steam it. We know just a wide variety of uses for the potato. But do you know that the potato is actually great for your skin? The potato will have to brighten and lighten the skin. It have to get rid of dark spots and blemishes on the skin, all different kinds of hyperpigmentation. But guess what? The potato also contains B vitamin and vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and it also have other nutrients that will benefit your skin. The potato also have catecholase, an ingredient that will help to boost the collagen production in the skin, leaving your skin just younger looking once you use on a regular, that is. Now to prepare the potato, I'm going to peel the potato. Now after peeling the potato, the next step is to grate the potato. If you do not have a grater, go ahead and blend the potato. So our next step is to extract the potato juice by straining. So we're just going to pour it in, and we're going to strain. Now after extracting the juice, go ahead and use your leftover potato. Just add some brown sugar to this or some rice powder and use it to exfoliate your skin. So here we have our potato juice. We're going to put this aside and we're going to move on to the next ingredient, which is rice. Today I'm going to be using purple rice. However, go ahead and use the rice that you have. Now I'm using purple rice today because it is said that the purple rice contains more anti-aging properties than the regular white rice. However, if you only have white rice, you're still going to reap the benefit of using the rice, since rice and the whole contain anti-aging benefits. Rice has been used for centuries for skincare. It helps to tighten and firm the skin. It helps to lift that skin. It helps to boost the collagen production in the skin, and it also helps to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. So what I'm going to do with this rice, I'm going to blend about a quarter cup of the rice. Same amount if you're using white rice or black rice. And here we have the blended rice. You can also choose to use rice powder for this recipe. Alright, now we're going to move on. So let's recap. We have our potato juice, we have our powdered milk, and we also have our blended rice. Now what are we going to use to combine all of these three together? We're going to be using some rose water. Rose water helps to hydrate the skin. Now if you do not have rose water, feel free to make some green tea and use it in this recipe. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of our blended rice, 1 tablespoon of our milk powder. If you're using a fresh milk, you're going to be using 2 tablespoons. And I'm just going to blend the 2 dry ingredients together. Just make sure to get rid of any lumps from the milk powder. Blend well. Now once this is done, we are going to move on to our potato. And here we have our potato juice. We're going to give this a stir. We want to get rid of all of the starch from the bottom, so mix well. And if your potato juice turned color like this, that's okay. So we're going to pour this in the mix. And this is about 1 tablespoon of the potato juice. Next, we're reaching for our rose water. And we're going to start off with 1 tablespoon of the rose water also and pour this in. And next, we are going to mix. We're mixing this into a paste. Now guys, the rice is very absorbing. So when you start mixing, it's going to appear as if it's too much liquid. Not to worry. The rice is going to soak up all of that mix. However, if it's really too watery, go ahead and add a little bit more of the rice powder. Okay? And take a look at this. This is it. This is your anti-aging, skin tightening, facial mask that's going to firm the skin, clear the skin of spots and blemishes, and have your skin looking gorgeous in no time. Now guys, once you finish mixing this, what I suggest you do is to cover and place it in your refrigerator for about an hour or 2 before you use it. So I'm going to cover mine, put it away, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to use this on your skin for best result. Alright, so we are taking this from the refrigerator. You're just going to mix it up like I'm showing here. Alright, just blend it up. Blend up your mask. And I like to use a brush to apply this. You are going to use whatever it is that you're going to use to apply your mask. And then you're going to dive in with your brush. And you... This is so good. So then you're going to dive in. All right, let's reach for some more. And you are going to apply it to the skin. Apply it to the skin. I don't have a mirror right here, guys, so I'm just winging it with my camera lens. So if I miss a spot, so cold, so cold, but nice. All right, guys, so just apply it, and I'm applying this in upward strokes, and I'm gonna put some on my nose right now too. All right, right on the nose, and it have a really nice fragrance to this. All right, so just cover your entire face with this facial mask. Just cover your face. So now that my face is completely covered with my facial mask, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this thing back up. I wanna use it another time. Put it aside, and I'm gonna chillax with my facial mask. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. So what you want to do with this facial mask, you want to wear it on your skin for at least 30 minutes. Anything less is not really that great. 30 minutes or more is recommended. And then you're going to just rinse the skin off with some room temperature water. pat dry the skin and apply your favorite facial toner, serum, and your favorite moisturizer. So you want to use this mask at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result, and leave the leftover in your refrigerator. This amount I made can last you for the week. Just use it 3 times, skip a day, and you are good to go. So just continue to use this mask whenever you need that little instant lift, that instant glow, that instant brightness to your skin, and you're on your way to younger looking skin.